This is curl up exercise. It's going to work predominantly the muscles in our central zone, so that's our abdominals and muscles in our back that help to stabilise our spine, but we'll also add elements of the upper zone and the lower zone. So we're going to look firstly at our postural setting. So we're going to ensure feet are hip distance apart and parallel, so you can imagine your feet are on a train track. Our knees are in line with the feet, so again hip distance apart. Next, moving on to the pelvis, you can find the knobbly bits at the front of your pelvis and tilt forwards and backwards. So again, if we're imagining headlamps, they shine down towards the feet and then up towards the head, and then we're going to settle in the midpoint position, so our headlamps will be shining directly up towards the ceiling. We're going to look at centering, so we're going to gently draw belly button in towards the spine, okay, and try to maintain that throughout. Just be aware of the rib position, so we're not lifting the ribs away from the floor, so they're just sat gently in the natural position. We're going to look at our shoulders, so we're opening up through the collarbones, so shoulder blades are melting into the bed to begin with. So we're nice and relaxed through our head and our neck, long through the back of our neck and chin gently tucked in. So we're going to place the hands behind the head and just draw the elbows forward so that you can see them in your peripheral vision. We're going to imagine we have a peach or the space of your fist between your chin and your chest. And then you're going to peel your shoulder blades away from the floor and try not to pull too much on the neck and peel back down again. So as you lift, try to keep that space. You can also focus on drawing the ribs down towards the pelvis, so you're really engaging through these muscles at the front of your stomach. Thinking about breathing in this exercise, you just want to lift as you would naturally breathe out. So try not to hold the breath or brace. To progress this exercise, we can add in the lower zone. So as we curl up, we're going to straighten one leg out and then take it down again. Now keep the leg extended as you curl up and curl back down. So you just need a little bit more control through your abdominals with the leg in this position. Okay, so curling up again. So you can just do a number of reps on each leg. Okay. And then if we bring the legs back again, to progress a little bit further or to work the abdominals differently, we're going to work the oblique muscles, which are muscles more on the side of our abdominals, which again help to stabilise through this central zone. We're going to just take and lift and curl, but take one shoulder across towards the opposite hip and then curl that down again. So we can work on one side or alternate side to side. Again, really focus on taking shoulder to hip rather than just crossing the elbow across your face.